Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about setting up an updated recurring calendar meeting invitation for invoice submission. At VCA, we send our invoices every 2 weeks or bi-weekly, preferably on or before Wednesday, 6 a.m. Eastern Time. There are times when we forget to file and submit it on time, resulting to delayed pay. Well, worry no more. Here's how to set up a recurring calendar reminder to notify us of our responsibilities and to whom you need to send your invoice. First, open your Microsoft Outlook. Go to Calendar. Select the nearest Wednesday invoice due date schedule. Right-click and then select New Appointment. Type in a title. Submit VCA Invoice Now. Click the Make Recurring button. A new window pops up. Under appointment time, set the start at 5 a.m. and end at 6 a.m. Eastern Time with an hour duration. Set the recurrence pattern to weekly and set it to recur every 2 weeks on Wednesday. In the range of recurrence, make sure that the start date is correct. Also, set it to no end date. Review the appointment recurrence and then click OK. Add a description as to whom you need to send the invoices to. Accounting at virtualconstructionassistance.com and copy Honey at virtualconstructionassistance.com. Take note that you are never to send invoices directly to the client and never copy the client on invoices. Review everything and then click Save and Close. You will then see that the meeting invitation is now reflected in your calendar and recurs every 2 weeks on Wednesday. And submit your invoices before 6 a.m. Eastern Time, okay? As virtual assistant, we are all responsible in making sure that our invoices are submitted on time. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.